Tackling real-world business problems has never been easier. Analytic Solver, your decision intelligence companion, simplifies complex challenges by bringing advanced tools for optimization and simulation directly into Excel. With the latest AI-driven features, you are fully equipped with tailored, transparent insights to help you refine strategies, explore models, and achieve impactful results with confidence. The AI Ask Question feature enables natural language interactions, allowing you to ask questions about your models and receive instant actionable insights. Whether troubleshooting an optimization issue or fine-tuning a simulation, the AI provides clear guidance, complete with links to example models, user guides, and reference materials, streamlining your workflow. The AI Assist feature takes it a step further. This tool will examine your model and use it as context for your currently open model in Excel. You can then ask a question and engage in a dialogue with the assistant about your model. For example, you can ask, "Is my model missing an essential element?" Or, "If my model is building products from parts in inventory, how can I add another part?" The AI Assist delivers precise step-by-step recommendations to help you refine your model effectively. Ready to use and thoughtfully crafted to drive your success, these AI tools empower you to tackle challenges effortlessly. Analytic Solver, as always, elevates smarter, more efficient decision-making. Don't wait. Join a webinar or start using it today to transform complex problems into impactful solutions.